Man, riding against the wind sure sucks. Yeah, when it's windy, it's best to ride seated. If you don't know how to ride seated yet, please start practicing. It's not hard, it's just something you gotta get used to. From standing to just slowly park your behind down. No biggie. I'm not sure there's an actual technique that you gotta practice, but it's as straightforward as they come. Just sit down. Crunch yourself up like an aerodynamic cannonball to barrel through winds with ease. But always maintain where your center of gravity is and where you're going.